Hey, what's going on, guys? We just got our delivery of a new life flask, so I wanted to open it up and share it with you guys. Super excited about it. So here it is. We got the life flask all-in-one bottle. This is our new 32 ounce. And again, with life flask, it comes with 3 different lids and a shaker ball that have a lifetime warranty on them. And then the other thing that we're doing with this company is we actually donate every single purchase of this. $1 goes to basically San Diego Pit Bull Rescue is the foundation that we're working with right now. So pretty awesome. And these bottles are super fun. We've got a couple different lids, you guys. So we've got just like a regular top that you can take with you hiking. It's unscrewable. And then we also have the pop top thermos. So great for the gym. It's got a carrying handle, which I really like. And then we've got the coffee top as well. So you can take that. You basically can pick which lids you want. The other thing that we're using this for, you guys, here's the bottle, if you want to get a close-up on that. The other thing that we're using this for is shaker bottles. So it's perfect for working out. It keeps cold stuff cold and hot stuff hot. So we're super excited about it. You guys go check out Life Flask. It's on Amazon. If you just search for Life Flask, you're gonna find us. If you guys want to support us, basically go on there, purchase, leave us a thumbs up and a 5-star review, and we'll get you guys some fun stuff. Take care.